Okay, we're replacing the toilet bowl and toilet reservoir gaskets. I will show you this and how simple and quick and easy it is. We throw away toilet bowls we don't even need to throw away. All right, restoring this classic toilet, and let's show you. Let's finish this, and I will also be putting on the hardware we just custom painted toilet seat, and it's going to look really good. So let me show you how to do this. All right, this comes from Wind Supply. All right, they are franchise. This is the gasket that goes between the toilet reservoir and the toilet bowl, and they meet right down here. Okay, we'll be showing you that later. What else do we have in here? Okay. All right, we get new bolts for that. All right, and washers. And let's see, there's another one over here. Okay, now let's see what we get here. All right, there's the new brass bolts, stainless steel nuts and washers, and the rubber gaskets for top and bottom. Okay, let me show you how these go. First thing we do is we put the washer on. Okay, next we take the rubber washer. These need to be snug. Do not over tighten them. Just good and firm, snug. All right, now these are fit. All right, you want to thread these down to screw them down the threads. All right, till you get to the bottom. All right, I like to spray polyurethane on my metal. That helps to prevent any corrosion. Okay, and that's going down in my water. All right, I've sprayed these with poly. Okay, that will prevent them from not rusting, but becoming green. That's what brass has a tendency to do when it's in the water. So that should prevent that for years to come. All right, now let's get this toilet bowl loose. Okay. Take out this side. Okay, and we'll be taking out the one on the other side. All right, now let's get this other one off. All right.